So the last step is pouring. Now, when you pour champagne, all of that effervescence is inside right now. It'll start to come out as soon as it hits the glass. But the glass is dry, and you will see some people sometimes put water and ice into the glass. I think this is a big no-no. You really want to make sure that your glass is dry. If you want it cold, put it in the refrigerator. That's fine. But basically, as long as your glass isn't hot from the dishwasher, it's absolutely fine. But what you'll see is that it's going to fizz up very quickly. And that's called priming the glass. So we're not going to try and fill the glass right away. We'll just move on to the next glass, and then we'll go back and refill afterwards. So why don't you give that a try?
Okay.
Yeah, you see how that mousse is what they call it. Comes up quickly? Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. Actually, you could continue pouring in that one, but if it had come up very quickly, you'd want to move on to the next one and then come back to it. I'm getting thirsty already, I have to say. All right. And you can see the effervescence comes up very quick to begin with. And then on to the most festive of the glasses. Outstanding. Okay, so what you see is the perlage, or the little bubbles coming up, which they call perlage, like pearls, is not coming up too much. It's coming up straight through and from the bottom of the glass. And it's a good thing to see that the bubbles continue to come up. That means that there isn't something wrong, there isn't some chemical deposit on the glass that's stopping that effervescence from occurring. Beyond that, it's really just time to drink.